Hi, welcome to Eat Healthy, a fun and delicious look at preparing fresh greens and herbs grown locally at Second Chances Farm. My name is Gabby and I'm excited to introduce our very special guest, Executive Chef Alrick Mitchell from Chelsea's Tavern right here in Wilmington, Delaware. And he's going to show us how to make his world famous, delicious crab cakes with basil aioli, along with sauteed Swiss chard and avocado mango relish. First, we have to give our thanks to Warehouse, who is letting us cook in this amazing kitchen. Thank you, Warehouse. Also, we have to give our thanks, and we want to give our thanks to ShopRite for some of the ingredients that they provided for us today to use on the show. And of course, all of our fresh greens and herbs are grown indoor, vertically, hydroponically, and locally at Second Chances Farm. Hi, Chef Alrick. Thank you for being with us here today. Let's jump right in. What are we doing today? What are we making?
Oh, we're making a special crab cake.
Okay.
It's gluten-free.
Oh.
So, and I choose to make it gluten-free, so there's a lot of people now that's
definitely
gluten-free. So
that's a part of the wave going on right now, so that makes sense.
So first of all, I'm going to start with half a cup of mayonnaise.
I have a cup of mayonnaise, okay. Tell me what you need, I'll pass it over.
I did a teaspoon of obey.
Teaspoon of obey. Oh, there you go.
Teaspoon granulated garlic.
Granulated garlic. That's it? Yeah, no. This. Yes. He's the chef here. I'm just assisting.
Teaspoon of lime juice.
Lime juice. So we have to cut you a lime?
No, that's right there.
You have it in there first. I didn't even see it. See, he's all prepared. Lime juice.
Onion powder.
Onion powder. Right here.
Dried mustard.
Dried mustard. Right here. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you need 1 egg.
1 egg. Right there. I'll take that.
Then use the whisker so you'll make a dressing.
Okay, we'll marry that all together.
Yeah, it all together.
Okay. I tried it. That takes a lot of work. That muscle that you use to do that, whiskey looks so easy. Do it for about 5 minutes.
This is like, just imagine you gotta make hollandaise.
Oh my goodness, yes. Which I heard is the hardest sauce, mother sauce to make.
It's not. Basically, when you're making hollandaise, you just gotta make sure your egg yolk is cooked. Once your egg yolk is cooked,
Okay. This is coming from the executive chef though, guys.
And then we have 1 can of crab meat. I use bluefin dome crab meat. Usually we get our crab meat from Maddie's Seafood. I've been working with Maddie's for the past like 14 years.
Oh, okay, so they know you.
Yeah.
They already know you coming for that crab meat. And about how much is in a can?
1 pound.
1 pound?
Yeah, 1 pound.
Oh, 1 pound, okay. It's a lot of crab.
Yeah.
So you don't put any fillers in your crab cake?
No, there is no fillers in the crab
This is
cake.
why it's world famous. There's no fillers, okay?
It's very easy.
It doesn't taste easy. But that's wonderful. Anybody can make this at home.
There is a technique when you're making. You don't crush the crab meat. You just fold it.
Oh,
you
okay.
Just fold it.
You don't want it all thin
You don't want it
and start to break down or anything. Okay. I've had his crab cakes many a times. I come to Chelsea's Tavern just for his crab cakes, guys.
See the texture.
Yes.
Texture of it.
Yes. Let's show the camera that. Let people out here need to see that texture. Okay.
Usually that's a type of crab cake you cannot fry.
Yes.
It's impossible to fry it, so that's why we're gonna do it in that oven.
Oh, okay. Move this out your way.
It's important that you can stir.
Okay. All right. You just take a nice little fistful or a palmful. I see like you're gently putting that together.
Yeah, because you don't want to crush it. You want when somebody open your crab cake, you see, wow, it's only crab cake.
That's the first thing I noticed. Like, wait a minute, this is all crab meat. All right, that looks so delicious. Oh, can you tell I'm excited?
350 degrees. You cook that for like between 10 to 12 minutes.
10 to 12 minutes. Okay.
In the meantime, I'm going to make basil aioli.
Basil aioli. So I guess you're going to need some basil.
Need some fresh basil. And then the egg yolk.
I'm going to come on this side of you so I can assist any way I can. So we're going to crack some eggs.
We're going to separate two egg yolks.
Separate meaning what?
Yes, separate the white
From the yolk? Oh, okay. And we keep the yolk.
Yeah, because you need the yolk to make. That's what they're going to make it.
Oh, okay. All right. And that's a process. You just go back and forth to get it out until it's drained, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So 2 eggs per pound? Or no, Greg, you're just making the aioli.
Yeah,
So-
we're just making the aioli. Then the whisk.
There go that whisk action again.
When you're making it, you're going to whisk it until it kind of get like a yellow palish color.
Okay.
It's something like when you're making Hollandaise, but the difference is Hollandaise you cook the egg with.
Okay.
You don't cook it.
And it looks like you said kind of like a whipped foamy texture.
Yeah.
Okay. So you about to get some muscles when you do this.
Maybe around 2-3 minutes.
2 or 3 minutes? You want me to jump in there? Oh, you got it. Okay. Look, it's like I got this.
Then maybe like a cup of olive oil extra.
Okay.
Pull it on, please.
I will. Oh, hold the bowl.
And then you gotta take it down and just gradually.
Okay. Why do you do that?
Because if you do it too quick, you're gonna break the egg.
Oh,
So you
okay.
gotta take it down.
Take your time.
Well, some people use the shortcut, some people just add mayonnaise. Well, mayonnaise is egg yolk and oil anyway.
Yes.
Then you use salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Any type of salt and pepper?
It's a bit.
Oh, you have the graters over here. About how much for taste or?
Yeah, just salt and pepper to taste.
I like it better crushed. I don't know, it makes me feel like I'm doing something fancy when I'm crushing peppers.
Then you have the cider vinegar.
Apple cider vinegar. Did I take it? Oh, you got it again. Did I take it?
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice. I see that we've used lemon juice, lime juice.
Yeah, because we're working with seafood.
I mean, it just goes together.
Yeah.
Some people just stop at lemon juice. They use lemon juice and lime juice. Like you said, it goes with seafood. Like,
Yeah,
of course,
and
acidics.
during the past, in the summertime now, you want to use a lot of vitamin C. So
Okay.
actually all the stuff that's going on.
All right. Duly noted.
Then you got your basil.
We're going to chop that up a little bit.
That basil.
Look at that chop action. Don't do this at home, kids. And it's just something about basil.
Yeah, it's
Basil and cilantro, they are my favorite herbs. And Second Chances Farm, we make a fabulous basil and cilantro. You can't beat it. You can smell it all the way through the farm.
The thing I love about the Second Chance basil, it's fresh. Like you smell, you forget it.
Yes.
scent for me, like when you cook it.
I
Well,
mean,
I grew up from a small island and we use everything fresh.
so it reminds you of
when I
home.
heard about second chance and how all the natural stuff that it say welcome home.
Yes, yes, I love that. Yes, when you walk through, you can smell it. I've talked to many chefs that's come through for our tours, and that's some of their favorite things. Like the smell is so vibrant, the taste it just pops out to you. And I believe it's probably because, of course, I know it's because there's no chemicals, no byproducts or anything like that, and also we don't touch it with our hands. So it's like it's less. It just comes straight from the root, and then we bring it straight to the restaurant.
We're gonna saute the Swiss chard.
Okay. What is saute really? What is that?
Well, when you saute, it's a hot pan, salt, onion, garlic, and then you just like lightly cook it.
Okay, and some kind of like butter, oil,
Yeah,
or what?
you could use it butter or oil.
Okay.
We're gonna put this.
This is our fresh chard from Second Chances Farm. Look at those colors. I have yet to see that in the supermarket, but soon. Soon.
Yeah, you don't want it like a rough cut.
Okay.
Onion.
A little bit of onion. Oh, I love that sound.
Garlic.
A little bit of garlic.
Fresh garlic.
Sorry about that. A little bit of garlic. You know what? Anytime you want to make your house smell like you're cooking, go ahead and throw some onion and garlic together. It smells like you're making a masterpiece. It smells like you're really cooking something fancy. And it's garlic and onion. You can't miss it.
Some of my old friends is looking at it, they say, yeah, go garlic. When I just come to the country, I put garlic in everything.
Yeah. And it's healthy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's wonderful. My grandpa swears by it. A little cilantro. Oh, I'm sorry. Spatula. Here you are, chef. Mmm.
Just gonna rub this.
Oh, that smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this. Oh, with that Swiss chard,
Salt and pepper.
a little salt and pepper. This looks amazing. And look at those colors. Those colors just pop out at you. We're going. That was literally like less than a minute.
Yeah, because you don't want it to cook it because it turns like soup. You just want it identical. When you eat it, you get a nice like a crunch.
Okay. Keep the life in there. That's what my mom used to say. Don't cook the life out of it.
We have avocado and mango relish. I make it in advance because
Okay.
just because of times. It's one mango, one avocado, half a red pepper, some lemon juice, and basically that's it. You see, I put the avocado seed in it so you get the avocado from the brown.
Oh, that's a wonderful trick. Okay, I don't know if you've heard that, but he keeps the avocado seed in there so it keeps it from getting brown. And I know every time I chop my avocado, if I leave it out and let the oxygen get it, it's turning brown. So there's a good trick.
That's why when before you cut the avocado,
It's still bright green and yellow. Yeah. Okay.
It's all natural.
Yes.
That's why you
Look,
got second
thank
chance.
Thank you. Getting little tidbits here and there. It's really working out. Thank you,
Then we
chef.
got cilantro.
You're gonna chop up some more of that
Yeah,
cilantro.
we'll finish it with cilantro.
Oh, we're gonna put that inside the. Of course you are, because what is the avocado mango mix without cilantro? Second chance of cilantro. I feel like I'm eating there right now.
I'm from Grenada, and on the 23rd of this month we're doing a cigar dinner with a Grenada team.
Okay. All right.
Welcome to Grenada.
Right? That's how I feel right now. We're gonna put it to the warehouse. Are you hungry? Because I'm hungry. Okay, I've heard this and now I'm like salivating. Look at those vibrant colors. That's summer. That's the picture of summer. Okay?
It's Grenada flour.
Oh, excuse me. That's the picture of Grenada. Okay? Excuse me. Oh, you have a third plate. I'm sorry. I didn't even take that apart.
Yeah, well, we just, no, I think I'm just gonna do.
Look, this is a part of the artist, the plating part. This is the fun part for me. I like, okay, the cooking is really fun, but I love the plate because it matters. It matters how it looks, to me at least. My dad will just say it all goes in one place.
Yeah, well, plating is the key in cooking because people eat with their eyes.
Yes.
So if you don't attract the eyes, then it attracts.
Yes.
Sometimes you go in the restaurant and the food might be good, and if you don't plate good, it's
yeah.
Yeah. So from the time you see the food, you just say, I don't hungry no more. But it might taste good. But when you have a plate that attracts you, no matter how bad the food might taste.
I completely agree. Yes. All right. It smells like we're about ready to cook. What we doing down here?
Now the crab cake is ready. We're gonna take it off.
Oh man, that looks delicious.
See, with this type of crab cake, you see how it's like egg. You gotta really be careful how you're handling it.
It's very delicate.
There is no breading. So
Okay.
now it's start plating.
Because it's all crab meat. Look at that beauty. Look at that chunk of crab. You're saying, eat me. That's beautiful.
Then we finish with the aioli.
Then we're going to put the aioli over. Okay. See what we're doing there? I feel like a kid in a candy store right now. I'm just like, let's get it. Let's go. The chef in him has to clean the plate. Me personally, I'm like, where's my fork? Can I get the fork, please?
Since we have some microgreens, why not?
I mean, we have them. They're beautiful, and they're only going to turn it up a notch. And they're edible. It's like throwing some paint on the plate. You might have to stop me. Let's see. I mean, dig in with me. It's your creation. Why do chefs never just eat their own
You guys
food?
want to try?
Let's see. I got to get the full taste. I have to get the full platter. The crab cake, the chard at the bottom, the mango and avocado at the back, plus the aioli. Let's see what we have. I will hug you. I will hug you right now. And this is why it's world famous, guys. This is why it's world famous. Thank you again, Chef Alrick, for cooking with us today. That was such a pleasure. If you have any questions about today's recipe, just write them in the comment section below. Make sure you click the subscribe button below and ring the bell so you don't miss a single episode of Eat Healthy. On behalf of Second Chances Farm and The Warehouse, bye-bye for now.